G'day folks. Well, it's time for the first engine run using this new Panasonic camera. I've got it mounted on a fairly sturdy stand, so just leave it there and I'll try and start this engine. It's been cold for a few months. Last time I started it, it had stuck valves, and it probably will now. The solenoids on the carburetor clicking in. Without that, it won't idle. Power. Pretty sure I haven't touched anything apart from that. I've just chuck some fuel in it and see what happens. Yeah, by the time we start a lead. There we go. Auto choke's not working. Yeah, it still works. And trust me, what I did to that engine before, revving it up like that, it's probably nothing compared with what the previous owner did to it. It's a 1 in a million Toyota engine. This thing went through, I think it was 5 or 6 years of just solid hooning, thrashing. The kind of shit that would break valves, bend camshafts and crankshafts on any other engine. And yet this thing survived. But of course the rest of the car was pretty much trashed by the end of it, so I got the good engine, but that's all there is to it. Just an engine. It's a Toyota 4a-C, by the way. That should do for this video. I'll see if I can save it and upload it. Thanks for watching.